Panasonic is going to boost energy density of its batteries for Tesla. They have a tremendous partnership. They claim it's going to be a 20% boost on density. You know what this means, Will? Density means longer range, smaller footprint, an opportunity to re-engineer your vehicles.
Bigger fires.
Hey, man.
I'm just joking.
Yeah, potentially that too. It's a plan for the next 5 years. This fall, there's going to be a small increase of about 5% density coming to Tesla's Gigafactory in Nevada, which Panasonic actually operates. It's an interesting partnership. They're in there making the batteries, but it's Tesla's factory. And then further down the line, I don't know if it's 10 years. I don't know if this report actually states when. Oh, in 5 years. Yeah. So within 5 years, a 20% improvement. Within the next year, a 5% improvement. The best cells they currently make, the most dense cells, are actually only in the Model 3 and Model Y, the newer models. Once again, lending to the conversation around how dated the Model S and X are. And so those are likely to be on the docket for an upgrade. But the other piece is that they're going to move away from cobalt. They plan to have cobalt-free batteries in 2 to 3 years. Cobalt-free version would cut reliance on a costly and controversial component. It currently makes batteries stable, but poses ethical issues given controversial labor conditions in the top producer, the Democratic Republic of Congo. So there's a push to move away from cobalt reliance, and that's another part of the future plans of Panasonic as we increase the density and the range of our future electric vehicles.